2015 Ford Expedition L Platinum, driven. Big, burly truck-based SUVs may have officially jumped the shark in 2008 when gasoline prices spiked and the recession took hold, but don't count this segment out just yet. Although full-size SUVs are quickly being replaced by minivan-like three-row crossovers such as the 2013-2014 Chevrolet Traverse and 2014 Nissan Pathfinder, there are plenty of people out there who still need an SUV that is fully capable of hauling almost a baseball team full of passengers without giving up any of the ruggedness or payload capacity that a solid frame allows. For these people, the 2015 Ford Expedition is among a dying breed of body-on-frame SUVs made popular in an era when gas price hovered close to $1 per gallon.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.